welcome back to my channel. This is Christina at Homeschool and Grace, and today is another video. Well, this is an updated video for my timeline book that if you saw my first one, I made it, oh man, probably at the beginning of the school year. So as you can see, we've been using it and it's working out great. The only problem is my dates are off. This is 1000 AD. Look, we have BC. Vivaldi is supposed to be way back or further down, and so it's all a little messed up. So I've got to take him off. I've got to move all my dates over, and I got to add some more paper in. So I thought I would do an updated video of that. So let's start out by removing, I just got a butter knife, our dates to move them. Now see, if you just go slow, they'll peel right off, especially if you're just using like a glue stick, and that's just all I have my kids use. So they'll come up pretty easily. Just take your time. Okay, see, there's a little damage, but it's really quite all right. I don't think any of my kids are gonna look back on these and be like, oh mom, there's damage on the paper. I was gonna frame these. If they were gonna frame them, then I would be very concerned, but they're not. So come on, Vivaldi. Come on, there we go. Okay, and then last of all, take that off. Okay, so now all my dates are off, and I need to add on some more tape. So I just got some more of this same purple. Again, I don't really worry about the colors because my kids don't really care. So we'll put our tape there. Okay, so we've folded that way, so this one needs to fold this way. Okay, so you've got your one short strip on the front. I like it to go. I like it to be a little bit snugger, so I'm gonna squish that up. This is difficult because it's falling off the table. Okay. Okay. It's getting long. Here we go. Okay, so there's my one extra page. Shot. Here we go. There's one new page. It folds like that. And I'm going to add one more on, and I think that will be plenty. So remember, you're just doing, you know, the opposite each time. So a short piece, a long piece of tape. I'm folding it the opposite way. There we go. Okay. Looky there. Okay, now we're all together. We've got our 2 extra pages on. Okay, so we got to go back here to our dates. So we're correct over here in our 2000s and our 3000s, but our 1000s got a little off. So what's nice about this is, like, most of them have their dates. Up to 300, 1000. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pluck the 1000 there, and I'll probably put the BC over here, because let me look through how many more do we need to add. Whoa, we got a lot to add. Okay. Well, that's why it counts to check. Okay, so we have more than I thought. So what I'm going to do, I'll still put the 1000 there, but I will not put the BC till here. And I should probably add one more page. So you're kind of working through this with me. So we have a lot more of the BC to get through. So I'm going to I might not even add in the 2000 AD yet. Just save that and save Vivaldi. So let's see here. How should I do this? Oh, I don't want to lose that one. Okay, I think I'm going to put the 1000 there, and it might have already been there. I don't think it was. Okay, so I'm going to add on, I think this will be enough, and I think I'm going to add on one more for these guys. I've got a lot of this purple paper, so we're going to put another purple one on. Okay. So we fold it in this way. So now I need to fold in this way again. Oh! Well, that didn't work. There we go. Okay. I need to add my line. Okay, so now we got our ruler and our Sharpie. Okay. Okay, so now that we've got that all taken care of, I'm going to add the 1000 here. Because I think that's a good middle spot. And then I decided to put the BC here. So if you're curious how many pages this is, for 1000, we needed a lot. Whoops, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we got the BC here, so 6. So technically 6 for the 1000 BC era, or what is that? 1,000 years. And then I'll put the 1000 here. And we are just going to stick Vivaldi on here. I'm going to save the 2000 because we don't even get to that this year. And I might need to move all this again. And my daughter won't mind that I stuck him on. She won't care. We'll stick this down here. Whatever. Okay, so that is for the thousands AD. Now I know that it's not perfect, but again, you don't have very much for this year in the 1000 AD. Next year there'll be more, so I'll probably add more pages on, and I'll probably have to update this again, but that is fine. At least for this year, we'll be all able to finish this up without any problems. So again, this is for our creation to Greeks timeline, and I'll show you how it all folds up nicely. Folks, that is it. That's our timeline for creation to Greeks, and I hope that was helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I hope you have a great day, and we will see you at the next video. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.